in this video, I'm gonna teach you how to play 1v1 in Battlefront 2 Xbox Online. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna be talking about the option of doing and setting up a 1v1 match in Battlefront 2 on Xbox if you want to do it online, so no split screen. As weird as this is, EA never bothered to add an official 1v1 mode in Star Wars Battlefront 2, so players have discovered alternative ways to set up 1v1 matches. This is extremely unfortunate, but because of course everyone just wants to do a private lobby and then play with their friends, but EA has never bothered to add this game mode. So for this alternative method, the first thing that you have to do is go over to options and then choose the EA account category. Once you go into the account options, the secondary category is going to be multiplayer settings. What we're going to be doing here is changing the ping site. You want to choose the same ping site as a friend that you are going to be 1v1ing, and you want to choose one that's slightly obscure because the idea is that only you and your friend will be queuing at that time. You can choose one that has a slightly higher ping, which might be with less people queuing, or you can choose a more popular one if you still want to try to queue up together in the same server. So once you find a ping site that you and your friend both are going to use, then you can move on to the multiplayer tab. So go over to play and then select multiplayer. Now what I recommend is going to be heroes and villains. This is going to be the best way to find your friend and play 1v1 against them. So go into heroes and villains, and then you will be choosing hero showdown. Now if you only have another friend, then this is going to be the best option. However, because this is 4 players, if you have 3 friends alongside you, so in total 4 players, it is going to work out perfectly. All that you 4 have to do is queue up at the exact same time, and then you can do sort of a tournament. So you can do 1v1 battles between all of you, and then see who was the winner. And because this match hosts 4 players, you will be able to fill an entire lobby, so no other random people can join. But if you only have 2 people, including you and a friend, then it is still going to be the best option, but you might get randoms included. I hope I was able to help you on how to play 1v1 in Star Wars Battlefront 2 Xbox Online. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.